Okay, what we have here is my Airfix Vulcan, which I've fitted lights to, and sound, as you can see. It's just a standard kit, and I've fitted a speaker and a soundboard in, with some sound files that I'd grabbed from videos and edited in Guitar Studio program, and added some distortion and compression to make them sound better in scale. And everything's inside the bum bar here, as you can see. If I give you a run through the sounds, little button here at the back. So it's pretty loud, like the real thing, but this is a prototype. I'm going to try and do more and improve this. Everything's operated by this little button here. So, if you wanted to, you could hold it here, I suppose, and just cycle through. So I hope you enjoyed that. Just sharing with you my idea. It was inspired by little Star Trek toys that I had when I was a kid, where they used to get a Model Enterprise, and you'd have different sounds and lights in. And ever since I was a kid, I always thought the Airfix Vulcan would suit that. So now, older I am, I've designed it and made this mad little model of a Vulcan. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.